Have you ever experienced a life-changing realization which completely changed your perspective of the world? I am Vance. I'm already tired of expressing the beauty of so-called life. Kasi, as a matter of fact, wala naman. This life has only given me struggles and pain. I'm living, having no wonderful purpose and having no one. Sometimes, napapatong na lang ako kung pinagtabuyan na ba ako ng Panginoon. Kasi even Him, hindi ko mahanap sa panahon ng pangangailangan.
What a wonderful day, learners! Today is the day. We will going to have our field trip and we will be visiting a home that is close to the heart of those children who are battling with cancer. This home is called the House of Hope.
Welcome to the House of Hope. We are home for children with cancer and we have a mission to bring hope and give them strength in facing their journey because we believe that it is a better cure.
Kuya, ako po pala si Rain. Alam mo, miss na miss ko na po talagang mag-aral. Dahil gusto ko po talaga maging flight attendant pag laki ko. Kahit mahirap yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon, alam ko po, malalampasan ko yung boto.
Experiences like these make you question yourself, like your Plato. Grabe, I was very inspired by the positive outlook in life of these children amidst everything they've gone through. It just goes to show how strong and resilient they are, like a diamond that can never be broken. I learned from them. I should never lose hope whenever I face trials. And I will forever treasure this life lesson. Indeed, we can find God in all things, even in our darkest moments.